It came! It finally came! The big one.
What is up, everyone? Today we're gonna do an unboxing of my Blast-Tec order. So, Blast-Tec replaced the old Pyro herb and is now open and live. I first ordered some antimony trisulfide for some glitter, then some pollen for some color like red, green, blue, etc, etc. Some lactose, 1 kilogram, for smoke bomb, especially blue smoke bomb because I got the pigment recently. 1 kilogram hexamine to make some beautiful blue and nice burning colors. 5 kilograms potassium nitrate for BP and all the stars in general, and some test tubes, as you can see, even one for smoke bomb and a 2 inches, and those were offered by Blast-Tec, so thank you Blast-Tec. So with all this new stuff, I'm gonna make a big project soon that's gonna be uploaded during summer, and if you want to order too on Blast-Tec, use the Pyro code to save some money on your order. And with that, see you on the next video.